Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I want to take a look here at GameStop stock. This company has been moving like absolutely crazy over the last few days, and I want to talk about what I've been seeing with this stock, why exactly they've been making this move, guys, and if you should jump in at $60 a share, and also just an update for anybody who might be in from before, even from before $20. People have been asking me to talk about this company, guys. So if you're in from even before $20, this is just going to be an update for anybody looking to invest on GameStop stock here after this massive up run that we've had over the last few days, guys. So the first thing that I want to touch on is the price action here on GameStop stock. They rose from around $20 here to an initial bounce, consolidating between 31 and 45-ish levels here. So that was the prices that I was watching over the last week after the first bounce on GameStop. And shortly after, you can see just a few days after, this looks like just some regular consolidation, guys. And then we had another absolutely massive rip, guys. And you can see that the telltale sign here of these rips is going to be the volume, and that's why I have it open here on the chart and showing so large on the screen, guys, because this is going to be the most key thing telling us why this exactly happened and what exactly happened here with GameStop stock over the last few hours, causing it to go from around $20 a share all the way to 60 in less than a week, guys. So let's get into exactly what happened here. Now, this is a very complicated process, exactly what happened and exactly how the stock moved this way. But to keep things simple, guys, there is something called options. And when somebody buys or sells an option, well, when you buy it, you're buying it from the market. But what you don't realize is that somebody actually had to sell that option to you in order for you to buy it. So let's suppose an option is worth $50. If I sell that option to you, if I'm that random person on the market who decides to sell it, then what I want to happen for that contract is for it to go to $0. I want it to expire worthless, so I want it to do the opposite of what it says on the contract, guys. So if I was to buy it on the opposite end, I want that contract to gain as much value as humanly possible, because obviously if you buy an option, you want it to go up as much as it can, guys. So those are the opposite forces working on the market here. And as you can see, with GameStop stock ripping up above $30, there was probably a lot of options sold here by investors that unfortunately did not expire worthless. Instead, they expired very much in the money. And the opposite side of that is that when you sell a contract and it doesn't expire worthless, instead when it expires in the money, you have to buy 100 shares of the stock at that strike price and sell them to the investor, guys. So that's what a lot of people have had to do here over the last few days. And as you can see, it has caused GameStop stock to absolutely rocket from around $20 all the way to 76 just from people buying shares to cover these calls, basically. So when they sell the call, they say, oh, the shares are not going to go up, whatever. We think that it's going to stay below this level. We're going to expire worthless, and we're going to collect all the money from that call. And you can see that they've just absolutely been getting slammed. And that's what it's called when short sellers get trapped. You can see it happening here between $44 and $40, which was a big level that short sellers were trying to push down. But unfortunately, once we came up above that level, all those short sellers that were caught here had to unfortunately buy the shares. And you can see that this has caused a massive rip in the stock. So getting into would I buy this stock, guys, in the short term? Hell no, I would not buy this stock unless I wanted to ride an absolute roller coaster here. You don't know what's going to happen with this company. As far as technical analysis, this company is an absolute roller coaster. And as far as fundamental analysis, we know that GameStop as a company is not worth $60 a share here at this market cap. And this is just absolutely ridiculous to see the company up at these prices. So if I was a short-term investor, no, I would not buy this. If I was a long-term investor, I would wait for the price to pull back to around $30 or $40. I see a lot of online articles talking about how the stock is going to pull back. Now, right now, it may not seem like it, guys, but it is very obvious to investors and especially to these banks that the stock is not worth $62 a share. So you have absolutely no support from institutions and other investment sources at the $62 a share level, guys. And for that reason, I cannot invest at this level, and I can't really recommend you guys to invest at this level either. So my most recommendation right now for this company is to not invest. Wait until they pull back to around $20 a share minimum, $30 a share, if you do want to look for a longer term investment on this company. But right now, what's happening with the price is manipulation. And honestly, guys, I don't know what will happen in the future with this company, but right now I'm hearing that their stock price was just halted. So that's another thing that we have to watch out for now. They see that there is manipulation on the market, the SEC or the Trade Commission, whoever it is, and they're halting this stock, guys. So that is never a good sign for a company, and you want to keep an eye on what's going to be happening with GameStop in the future. GameStop stock, guys, because it could continue moving, but obviously it's very hard to predict when these moves are going to happen, as it's the result of hundreds of people having to cover their position, guys. So I hope you understood the explanation in the video. I try to make it as simple as I could for beginner investors or anybody trying to understand what's happening with GameStop stock. So if you enjoyed that and want to understand any other stock on the stock market, leave your comments down below, as well as liking and subscribing the video, guys. But as always, if you enjoyed, I hope all your trades are in the green, guys. And don't forget that this was one of our most profitable weeks ever. So don't forget to subscribe. Please take advantage of these plays, guys. It's not always that we have such a green week. So when I see a lot of you guys typing me that you made a lot of money, I hope a lot of you took advantage, and it makes me very happy and proud to see so many of you guys successful here with the stock market, which is one of the things that I most like to do every single day, guys. So as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope all your plays are in the green.